This encounter begins with a simple disagreement over recording, but it quickly turns into a much larger confrontation involving facility policies, police authority, and questions about public rights. The citizen insists that he was not recording inside the facility, while employees claim that his presence and filming had disrupted their business. When police arrive, the situation does not become any calmer. Instead, the arguments grow more intense. And that's what makes this encounter interesting. The main question is not simply whether someone had a camera. The bigger issue is what actually happened, what rules apply, and whether the actions taken against a citizen were legally justified.
My badge number is
Carter?
Carter Roan. My badge number is 6145, right?
Okay,
you can have my business card if you would
I
like.
would appreciate that. Name, ma'am?
Diana Pena, 7247.
7246?
7247.
What is the call about?
Thank you.
So it's regarding a trespassing, right? So they're upset with you guys, I guess, recording inside.
Why would that be?
Listen, I don't know. They just don't want you on the property anymore, right?
This is public property.
I understand that. However, any
I'm not trying to get closer to you. I'm just trying to get off the curb so I don't
any
fall.
person, you guys probably know this, right? Any person can trespass anyone for any reason.
No, that's
right?
wrong. It's not public property. We just went through this. He was trespassed already.
I understand.
I appealed it and it was rescinded.
You must have some type of infraction.
It was Deputy Crawford.
Yes.
Correct.
Yes,
So
I have the notice of rescind in my pocket.
Listen, they're saying that you guys are disrupting their business,
That's a lie.
being in there.
That's a false report.
I'm just telling you what they're telling us.
He lied
We're
to you all
telling
last
that
time.
It's a false report, and we have it on the record
Okay.
here.
So what is your purpose at the business, if you don't mind?
I came to serve him. That's all I did.
To come out. They
If he'd have
completely
just took the
stopped working.
papers, we'd have left already.
Yeah, we would have been gone within 30 seconds.
Okay.
Instead of taking this piece of paper like you did, he told all the customers that are in here, we're going to stop working because those guys are standing quietly recording. We are perfectly within our right to do so.
So, do you guys have any other business that you guys need?
Yes, I was going to
complete?
turn in my power of attorney for my mother. I was going to get a records request, but they refused to speak to us.
Okay.
Instead, they stopped working, denied service to everybody in there, tried to get them to gang up on us, which is exactly what they did, and filed a false police report with you. We're not disrupting anything. We're standing there quietly, just like this. There's nothing illegal about it, and you cannot give a legitimate trespass over that reason. You're very wrong in the law.
Okay. Well, you guys are more than welcome to go fight it like you did previously.
He's already won.
I'm telling you, as of right now, you are
Being committed from a public place, we have every right to be. You're not upholding our First Amendment right to record in public, plus the case law that goes with it. So you're not following it. This is not a business, sir. This is a public public property. You're not on private property. If this was McDonald's, they could say we don't want him here anymore, period. And a public place, some type of place, you should know this as an officer. And if you keep going forward with this, you're in violation of the law. Is there a supervisor?
I am the supervisor. They requested that you be trespassed.
Requested?
They're going to have to fill this out.
You're the one
They're
writing
gonna have
the
to sign
trespass.
this, so we're done.
Okay, so it's a request.
So you can.
First major issue is the difference between complaint and established evidence. Employees apparently wanted the citizen removed from the property, while the citizen repeatedly denied interfering with their operations or causing a disturbance. Officers explained that they were responding to information provided by the facility, but the citizen strongly challenged that version of events. He also refers to a previous encounter that he claims had already been resolved. That creates an important credibility dispute. A complaint may explain why officers respond to a situation, but the complaint itself does not automatically establish that every allegation is true. Viewers should pay close attention to what is actually shown and supported by the footage, compared with what is simply being alleged by each
Policy. He completely filed false information for your guys' police report.
So was there a passcode?
It was that same guy. It was Alex Crawford was the deputy. Okay.
You have seen the video, right?
No.
You
Okay.
haven't seen your body cam video where you went inside here and he goes, "Come on in. You're one of the good guys. You're not one of them pesky taxpayers."
No, I haven't done that.
Okay. Well, he said something to you. He said we copied and pasted this off a website, and it took effect today because they had a guy just like him exercising his rights in Manatee. And then when he was out here talking to Alex Crawford, your partner that day, he told her he was trespassing him for breaking federal law.
And he told them that the policy was written, he had the policy written by attorneys, which was a lie.
He's lying. He made a false report to you and Alex Crawford, and he's making you guys look bad.
I'm going to write a complaint or file a complaint on you when I leave here, and I may come back and file a lawsuit.
Guys, stop. Just follow the law. The law between public and private businesses. In public, where we have a right to be, we have a right to record, whether they like it or not. This is not a private business. He's filing a false police report. He's lying to you. You're going to let him get away with that? Or are you going to trespass the guy's exercising their rights?
I mean,
You just hear what?
I'm not here trespassing.
Okay, I'm reporting a crime to you. Are you going to do anything about it?
So you were over here talking about...
I'm reporting a crime to you. You were involved in.
So look, right? You already talked to my
Forget
partner.
this. I'm talking about the situation where
I'm
you were
talking about
involved.
this, but it's
I'm
something
talking
that
about
you
the
told me
situation
based
where
on fraud.
you specifically were involved. That situation. He filed a false police report. I want him charged for it. You were there. Not only were you a witness, you recorded it all. And he lied straight to your face and your partner's face about what was going on. We're not disrupting anybody. We're standing still. They decided to stop working, and then the customers blamed us for them not working. That's called the heckler's veto. It's not lawful. It's not legal. They have no reason to stop working. All we try to do is hand in a piece of paper, but it took less than a minute. We all saw it. Thousands of people have seen it. Now I'm asking you if you're going to charge him for committing that crime.
Well, I'm not.
Why is that?
I'm not going to investigate. You already talked to my partner. This stuff has been said. You already talked
No,
to
sir. I'm talking. I have not talked to them about what I'm talking to you about. And I just reported a crime to these two deputies here, and they're completely saying they're not going to investigate the crime. Is there a reason for that?
What did you report?
That Mr. Couette gave you deceptive information during a police investigation. Filed a false
That's
police
something
report.
for you to bring up during this appeal process.
No, it has nothing
Okay.
to do with
And then shift directly to the issue of trespass. The officer explains that the citizen is being trespassed at the request of the facility and because of an alleged disturbance. The citizen responds that the location is public property and argues that recording from a publicly accessible area is protected activity. This is where the discussion becomes legally more complicated. Public property does not necessarily mean that every activity is completely unrestricted. At the same time, the existence of a facility policy does not automatically resolve every constitutional question. The important issues are what rules actually apply to that specific location, what conduct allegedly occurred, and whether the restriction being enforced has a valid legal basis.
We're recording? Are you guys sovereign from the law? Are you guys sovereign citizens? Are you sovereign citizens, sir? Every time. And the sole reason of recording cannot be a reason for them to stop working and remove us from the property. There has to be some type of crime committed. That's why his trespass was rescinded, because if we try to take this to hearing, there's nothing. You have nothing. We're allowed to be here. We're allowed to record here. The courts have already ruled.
So you had your cameras off? That was smart.
We're allowed to when we're having an officer discussion.
You know that law, right?
That's not a law. That's our agency policy.
Okay. And you do understand that I wasn't recording in there, correct?
Okay, that's fine. You still just...
No, I didn't.
Okay.
Timothy lied to you again. How long have you been an officer?
So August will be 5 years now.
All here at Pasco?
Yes, sir.
Cool. Because I'm being trespassed for no reason now. You understand that, right?
So you're being trespassed because you're violating a policy.
What policy?
Calling a disturbance.
What policy?
The door says there's no reports.
I wasn't recording.
Right?
I've
So
already told
it's
you
not-
that.
It's not illegal to record in a public place, as you know that, right? But if it's their policy and they're asking you not to record, they have a right to trespass you because you're causing disturbance.
But something you need to understand is if something isn't illegal, normally it's not illegal because a policy was created. You can't create a policy that violates someone's rights. You understand that, right?
Okay, but you can't disturb someone's business, right?
I wasn't. I was standing still waiting to serve him, but he
So-
kept ignoring me.
So they're telling me, right?
They lied to you again.
He may have, right? I can't say that he's lying. I can't say that you're lying.
Now, if I had video footage of it, I could show you, right?
If you want to show me,
I didn't video it. I didn't start videoing it until I went outside with y'all.
Well, so-
Until I had police activity.
So again, their policy is not to record. However, right?
But I didn't record
I
inside.
understand. Listen to what I'm saying. So their policy is not to record. However, if someone's accusing you of something, pull out your phone. Like, it's not illegal, right? At the end of the day, right? But I have to go based on what he's telling me, what you're telling me, and what I can prove at the time, right? I have a bunch of citizens who came here to do whatever they needed to do that seem pretty upset.
And did you investigate? Did you ask them whether I was recording or not? Whether I had a phone in my hand or a camera on me? Are you going to?
I'm going to.
You think they're all going to be here by the time you get done with this?
I hope so. But so, I mean, at the end of the day, all this doesn't matter because you're saying you're not trespassing, right? You're the one.
You're saying that I'm trespassing. You're trespassing.
But you're telling me that you guys aren't trespassing.
I'm telling you that if I am being trespassed, I'm being trespassed illegally. And you're a lieutenant? Or is that a corporal?
No. This is
lieutenant?
No, FTL. So I'm a field training officer, so I train new deputies.
Oh, that's even better.
686-159.
So what are they doing?
Yeah.
Mr.
The appeal process is garbage.
Things escalate again when the citizen accuses an employee of giving false information to police. That is a much more serious claim than simply disagreeing about a recording policy. The citizen argues that body camera footage from a previous encounter could support his version of events and repeatedly asks officers to investigate what he believes was a false report. The officers, however, appear focused on dealing with the current situation rather than reopening every allegation connected to the earlier incident. This creates another major communication breakdown. The citizen wants accountability for what he believes was false information, while officers are concentrating on the immediate complaint and the decision to issue a trespass warning. As a result, both sides are focused on different issues, and the original disagreement continues to grow.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
What are you doing?
What's your name? Who are you?
Who am I? Yeah. What are you doing? Why are you looking inside the
You know what prior restraint is?
Why are you looking in there? Why are you looking inside the van?
Do you know what prior restraint is?
It doesn't matter. Why are you looking inside the van though?
That's what I'm asking you, because you was over there looking at the van, now you're over here looking at this car. So I'm asking you, what's the problem? Do you need help?
Yeah.
Okay,
Can you answer my question for me? Do you know what prior?
I don't need to answer your questions. I'm asking you, do you need help? Are you good?
Okay.
Yes or no?
Sir, do you need help, yes or no? Or are you going to move on? What are we doing?
Is there a sergeant here?
Do you need help, yes or no?
Is there a sergeant here?
Why you need a sergeant for?
Okay, because I want to see who's in charge.
It doesn't matter who's in charge.
I want somebody to teach her what prior restraint is.
You don't what business you have with that van? I find you looking inside it. What are you looking for?
Okay.
Are you trying to open
How can I help you? How can I help you?
Because I don't understand.
I didn't ask you for help. I didn't make contact with you. You made contact with me.
You're on police vehicles.
Okay.
It's your problem.
Okay, it's public property. It's public property. You want to have attitude? I can have attitude too. I didn't want to talk to you.
What's wrong? What do you need?
You don't even know what prior restraint is.
I'm in. Sir, excuse me. What's the problem?
I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 people with surrounding me for taking pictures in public. I didn't ask you for help. I didn't ask none of y'all for help. I didn't approach none of y'all and ask you for help.
I'm asking you, do you need help?
No, I don't. I need you to protect my rights in public. I need you to honor your oath to the Constitution. I don't want to have to beg you to do your job the proper way.
But I'm asking you to help.
Yeah, can you teach her what prior restraint is?
I'm asking you,
Yeah, I do. Can you teach her what prior restraint is?
I don't know.
That means when you flash your flashlight in my camera for a prolonged period of time, you're violating my rights because you're prohibiting me from recording. That's prior restraint. That's called prior restraint.
Okay, so are we done?
Once you see I'm not a threat to you, don't flash your flashlight in my camera.
You're trying to open the vehicle.
Okay.
A lot of people
You see, excuse me? Excuse me?
Really close to the door.
Excuse me. Stop it. Cut it out. What's next? EDP? You want to try to EDP me next?
I don't know. Maybe. I don't know.
You wasn't even out here, so how you seen anything?
What do you mean I wasn't on
And everything's on camera.
How are we going to move on?
And everything's on camera.
I was in the vehicle.
What's your name and badge number? Let me get your card. Your name is right here? That's what you tell the judge when you go to court? For the record, what's your name?
My name is right here. Right.
Your name is not right here. Your mother didn't name you right here. You're not married into the right here family. What's your name?
You're bugging out.
I'm bugging out, but you made contact with me. You didn't want to identify yourself properly. You're not proud of.
You can record whatever you want.
You know what the right to know act is? I need his card. That's a law.
We're going to move on, folks.
I didn't approach y'all. Y'all approached me.
So,
Would you ask you a simple question? You want to keep recording, right?
Do I want to keep recording?
Oh, no, what are we doing right now?
I don't know what y'all doing. I know what I'm doing.
Okay.
I'm exercising my rights freely in public. Yeah.
Hear me out. If you could record the car and everything.
Of course I could.
Just concerned that someone was going to try to break.
That's fine.
That's it.
But you approach me with respect. You don't approach me disrespectful. Surround me.
I thought I did.
I have the right to ask for all of y'all business cards because your body cams are on.
Did I not approach you respectfully?
You did. She came in high attitude. He's standing mad close to
So
me.
record or you want to just watch him record.
Where the debate over policy versus law becomes the main focus. The officer acknowledges that recording in a public place is not automatically illegal. However, he continues to explain that the facility has a policy restricting recording and maintains that the citizen caused a disturbance. The citizen challenges that reasoning and argues an internal policy cannot simply override a person's legal rights. That distinction is important. Whether recording is protected can depend on the exact location. the type of government or public facility involved, any lawful restrictions, and the specific circumstances surrounding the activity. Simply saying it's policy does not answer every legal question, but neither does simply saying it's public property. The facts and the applicable rules.
Yeah. I don't have my Second Amendment, unfortunately. I wish I did. You can't even get. So you know how hard it is to get your Second Amendment in the 5 boroughs. Outside of New York, upstate, you can open carry.
County? No problem.
You can open carry a rifle upstate. No problem. City.
City's very hard.
You can't even come from Texas with your weapon into the city.
No.
Sad world we live in. Texas is full Second Amendment.
Oh yeah, 100%. Have a good night.
Thank you. You too. God bless you.
Oh yeah, you're allowed to record the police cars. We were just concerned that someone breaks it.
That's fine.
It's happened plenty of times.
Suspicion is fine. You can come ask me questions. That's fine. But you do it with courtesy, professionalism, and respect.
Okay.
Not hostility surround me. Like, I don't know where that comes from.
I apologize that happened.
It's all right.
I asked you nicely, and you were running away from me.
Yeah, because I didn't want to talk to you. I don't have to speak.
But she was doing her job also.
If I suspect something, I left you alone this whole time. You
Right. That was great. Yeah.
And then I saw you come over here, so now I'm worried. I'm concerned. I'm asking you, are you okay? Is there a problem?
Yeah.
And then you running from me.
Okay.
Okay, so then
She was concerned for you.
that's
Can I
why my partner came.
Can I ask you a question? At what point do Americans have to speak to the police?
You don't have to.
Never. I never had to speak to you ever.
You don't.
So that was my choice. I didn't want to speak to you guys. I just want to record peacefully in public. Because a lot of police say, "Oh, he's just an antagonizer. He's looking for a rise." So that's why I don't talk to y'all. I just walk away. I walk around, recording peacefully, and I try to avoid the contact because I don't want to fall into that stigma that he's one of those people. You know what I mean? Just record peacefully.
I don't think you're one of those people.
No. I'm peaceful. That's why when I see
the officers announced that the citizens are being trespassed for allegedly interfering with normal business operations. The citizen immediately challenges that explanation. He maintains that he was standing peacefully, was not recording inside the facility, and had not interfered with anyone conducting business. Notice how far the disagreement has now moved from the original complaint. The officers are relying largely on information provided by the facility, while the citizen is demanding specific evidence showing exactly how he interfered with the business. This becomes a classic conflict between competing versions of the same events. Without clear evidence resolving those differences, both sides remain convinced that the other is misunderstanding or misrepresenting what happened, and the tension continues to rise.
Oh, your coworker just gave me the bird.
He's not my coworker. I'm just asking, can I help you with something?
Oh no, you can get back inside.
What are you doing?
I'm doing nothing.
What are you doing?
I'm doing nothing, buddy.
Hey, this is my damn property. I want to know what you're taking a video of.
Well, this looks like a sidewalk to me. And I suggest you back up.
I want to know what you're taking a video of.
I suggest you back up.
I want to know what you're taking a video of.
Back up.
Answer my question.
Back up.
You're taking a video of my property. I want to know what you're taking it of. Huh?
Don't come near me, guy.
I want to know what you're taking a video of.
It's none of your business. Go back inside.
It is my business.
No, it isn't.
It's my property.
No, it isn't.
It's not my property. Not my
It's
property?
not your business.
Not my property?
I would get away from me, buddy.
Not my property?
I would get away from me. I will defend myself.
I want to know.
I want you to get out of my face, buddy.
I want to know what you're taking a video of.
I ain't gonna tell you shit. Get out of my face.
Fine. I'll call a cop.
Good, call him.
Call a cop.
Cop caller. Crybaby.
Call him now.
Crybaby. Let him know you got in my face, pussy. Get back inside. You're a scumbag, bro. Pure scumbag. You treat the public, you flick them off when they're walking down the sidewalk. You guys are scumbags. The guy who flipped me off and your bot. Hey buddy, you dropped something. It's right there. Pull my taser out again. He got really close to me. Yeah, they're gonna tell you get back inside, buddy. Just mind your own business and leave me alone. You're making your company look really bad right now. Got a bunch on the side of me too, everyone. Hopefully they're educating you, buddy. You shouldn't come up aggressively in front of the public. You're a maniac. And you better tell them the truth and tell them where I'm standing, buddy. Don't lie to them. He's lying, saying I'm on his property, everyone.
Get off my property. Get off my property.
Look at this,
now,
everyone.
buddy.
Look at this,
Get
everyone. See, I'm in the middle of the road.
Get off my property. Do not step on my property.
You come near me, I'll defend myself,
my
buddy.
property.
If you approach me, I will.
I'm telling you, get off my
property. And I'm telling you, you approach
right
me,
now,
I'll
buddy.
defend myself.
You hear him?
I will defend myself, ma'am.
Get off my
I'm
property.
on the sidewalk.
Get off my
This
property.
man's on drugs.
It's not a sidewalk.
This man's on drugs.
Get off.
Why are your eyes red, buddy?
Get off.
Why are your eyes so red?
Off.
Why are your eyes so red?
Buddy.
All over a camera, buddy.
All right.
Why don't you grow up and act like an adult, man? You're like 3 times the age of me. Grow up. You got some real emotional problems. Coming up, threatening people in the public, calling the cops on them when they're doing nothing wrong. You got something to prove, buddy? Is that what you want? Do you want to fight someone? Is that what it is? Because I don't want to fight. I'm peaceful. Now please leave me alone and go back inside and do your job. And tell your coworkers don't flick me off when I'm walking by the sidewalk. Fucking asshole. Coming up, getting in my face. Now, look at him. Look, let dispatch know you're following me. Let dispatch know you're following me. We're getting all these plates too, everyone. Getting all these plates. I will defend myself, so you back up too, buddy. You guys are nuts.
You ain't got nothing better to do than come up here and film.
You got nothing to do but flick off people that are walking down the sidewalk? You're fucking cool. You're real cool, dude. Your boss is trying to fight me?
You're causing trouble.
By recording. Constitutional right.
You listening to this?
Learn your property lines, buddy. You own the
Second encounter introduces another important issue, property boundaries. An employee repeatedly claims that the auditor is standing on private property, while the auditor insists that he is standing on a public sidewalk. The argument quickly becomes heated, with repeated demands to move away and accusations coming from both sides. The auditor points to the surrounding roads, sidewalks, and apparent property lines to challenge the employee's claim. This is an important reminder that property disputes should be based on actual boundaries, maps, surveys, or other reliable information, not simply assumptions made during a heated confrontation. The difference between public and private property can have major consequences, especially when trespass or recording restrictions aren't.
Stop approaching me. Stop approaching me aggressively. It's all on camera. All of it. All of it.
So are you.
Good. Hey, you need to tell this guy to back off, man. He's trying to fight me.
What are you doing?
I'm filming.
Filming what?
In public.
Can I get your ID?
No, you can't. No.
Okay, well, why can you film and you provide your ID?
Is it a crime to film in public?
I don't know, is it?
Well, you should know you're the law officer, right?
Well, give me your ID.
Nope.
Okay.
If you can suspect me of a crime.
Listen to me. All right, if you're on his property and he tells you to leave, you need to leave. Period.
Hey, I don't need directives.
Huh?
I don't need directives.
No, I didn't say whether you need.
Hey, you know what? If you gotta wipe your ass, man.
Okay.
So
right.
please
get
wipe.
Out of the roadway.
Please wipe your. Hey, tell him not to fight me. He's trying to fight me.
Not trying to fight you.
Oh, I got it all on camera, buddy.
Well, move out the
Name and
roadway.
badge number. Name and badge number.
263 London, Jordan.
You're a piece of shit.
Yeah. Get out of the roadway, or you gonna be one.
Well, you better tell him not to fight me.
Why would you want to fight you?
Oh, it's all on camera, dumbass. Yeah. All of it.
Go back.
Enjoy your complaint.
Huh?
Enjoy your complaint, asshole.
Don't worry about it.
crybaby. Guess what? They're not going to do anything either because I'm not on your property, stupid. Now you guys come up. I will defend myself. I'm not afraid. You put hands on me, I will defend myself. You look like a little tweaker, dude. Look how pale you are. Oh my God. You better educate them what a public easement is. Tell them how you came at me, buddy. Tell them how you came at me, and you shut up. It was on camera. You f you too, dude.
Come over here. Come on this property. Come over here.
I don't trespass, dummy. You're just the uneducated idiot who called the cops on a photographer. Get back to work. Oh yeah, it's all on camera. I'm trying to egg him on. Because I'm allowed to. Did you not get educated in public photography?
Don't say that.
Did you get educated in public photography?
No, I didn't.
That's horrible, man. You're getting 2 complaints now.
What's your name, sir?
I'm not giving you my name.
Okay.
If I committed a crime, if you got reasonable suspicion, I committed a crime.
Look, he wants you off the property and you need to leave.
Do you know what an easement is?
Huh?
Do you know what an easement is?
This is all his property.
Do you know what an easement is?
Yes, sir. I know what it is.
What is it? Public easement. I checked the GIS survey.
Yeah, I don't care.
Get a supervisor.
Yeah, I don't care.
Get a supervisor. Supervisor.
He's coming. There it is
Supervisor.
Right there. There it is right there.
Good.
And you better be glad that I got a supervisor.
You better apologize to me when he does nothing.
Okay.
When you're wrong and you're uneducated, and you should be learned about this.
Yeah, sir. Don't worry. You think I'm uneducated, or I'm
You're very uneducated.
All right. Well, let's see what the supervisor says about it. Okay. All right. Yep. Okay.
So I was out here walking down the street on the sidewalk, sir. Let me talk. You don't have to talk.
I said nothing. I said nothing.
I walked by this place. This man came outside and tried to fight me. He got in my face. He followed me all the way down the street. I tried to run this way. He followed me all the way down. Everything's on camera.
Can I see it?
I'm on the sidewalk right here. No, shut up, dude. Let me talk to him. Hey, first of all, is it illegal to record in public?
It's not.
Okay, this is a public easement. That's a sidewalk. It goes all the way down. Those are houses on both ends.
You're right.
I checked the GIS survey. This is public.
Right.
Tell him I'm not trespassing. Tell him he does not have reasonable suspicion.
Did I say that?
Ultimately, both encounters demonstrate how quickly disagreements involving cameras, property, and authority can escalate. In the first situation, the citizen disputes the allegations that he caused a disruption and questions the legal basis for the trespass warning. In the second encounter, the central issue is whether the auditor was actually standing on public or private property. No matter which side of these encounters you support, the footage demonstrates why evidence, clear policies, accurate information, and professional communication are so important. When assumptions replace facts and frustration replaces communication, even a relatively simple disagreement can quickly turn into a much larger confrontation. The best way to resolve these situations is to focus on the actual conduct, the applicable rules, and the evidence available, not simply on who argues the loudest.